Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss some salient features of iPhone battery. I will also demonstrate how to maintain iPhone battery properly to extend its life. Number 1. Always keep software of your iPhone updated. Number 2. Heat is the enemy of lithium-ion battery. Avoid heating of iPhone always. Try to charge iPhone without case in a cool environment. Number 3. You should not charge your phone past 80%. You can charge as many times as required but within the limit of 80%. 80 to 100% is a danger zone. Number 4. Do not use your phone while charging. Number 5. Set optimized battery charging. It is supposed to stop charging beyond 80%. Now let me start the video. Now go to the shortcut menu and tap on shortcut menu. Tap on create personal automation. Now scroll down up to the battery level. Tap on battery level. Now adjust the slider at 80% and tick rise above 80%. Next. Now tap on add action. In the search bar, write notification. Scroll down and tap on play sound. Now tap on text. In the text column, write battery full, unplug charger. Scroll up, tap on speak test. Now tap on next. Now disable the ask before running option. Tap on done. Now for another setting, tap on plus button. Tap on click personal automation. Now you can scroll down up to the battery level. Tap on battery level. Adjust the slider at 40% and tick falls below 40%. In the search bar, write notification. Scroll up and tap on play sound. Now tap on text. In the text, write battery low, plug charger. Now tap on speak test. Now tap on next. Again disable the ask before running option. Tap on done. Now the system is ready for giving you low and full battery charging notification. Now plug the charger and see the result.
Battery full. Unplug charge.
Now I will show you optimum battery charging setting. Go to setting, next tap on battery, tap on battery health and charging. Now enable the optimum battery charging option. Optimized battery charging is a location based service. In most of the time, charging is done either in home or office. This is not working in most of the iPhones. To fix this issue, you have to turn on some toggles as shown in this video. Tap on setting, go to security and privacy option. Tap on privacy and security. Now enable location service. In the top, enable the location service. Now scroll down. Tap on system services and next tap on system customization and significant location. You have to allow about 1 month time after turning on the toggles. During this time, machine learning of iPhone will gather information about your location and pattern of charging and set to work accordingly. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.